Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is just gonna be a little get ready with me. I'm on my way to the mall. I'm going to the mall today, and that's all I'm really doing. But it's also an update of where have I been, because I haven't been posting the way that I said I would be posting, which I do apologize for. I just have been lacking motivation, as you will hear later on in the video. And I just, lost my mojo, but we back at it again. I'm going to try to push out these videos for y'all, and these are going to keep going up. So, without further ado, if you don't want to see me get ready, pick out my outfit, pick out accessories, and a little mini vlog to the mall, keep on watching. Alright, y'all, I already did my eyebrows, so basically, like I said in the intro, this is a get ready with me, a little update, because I have been gone for a little while. Y'all probably don't even miss me, that's the crazy part, but we gonna act like y'all did. Where have I been? I've been out and about, and I have not had like the motivation to film, and that's just the honest truth. Like, I have not had any motivation. Once you stop, it's like very hard to get like back on track. So that's like where I am right now. And in July, I got offered an opportunity, an internship, and so I'll be busy then, so I will have some footage for y'all. But I'm just getting my mojo back right now. My mom keep asking me, where's your YouTube videos? Where's this? Where's that? I'm like, first of all, I have like 3 videos I have to edit. See, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I still have not even edited what I need to edit, and I'm just a little bit behind. And also, I can't even really see because I'm used to my ring light being closer to me so I can see. So if I look crazy on camera, it's really not that in person. Like, I know I look mad ashy because I just put mad concealer. I started school soon, y'all. Oh no, let me tell y'all. Your girl is smart. Like, your girl been working hard for the semester or whatever. And your girl got straight A's. Like, straight A's, 5 classes. And I'm just extremely proud of myself. I feel like I should not be doing powder first. Oh, you know how you ain't do your makeup in a minute and then it's like, I skipped this step. No, but your girl got straight A's. Like I said, I'm proud of myself. I did work hard. I got a lot of sleepless nights. And like, I deserved no less than. Cause if I would have got mad B's, I low-key would have been tight. Cause like, a B for what? Like, it's super hard being on Zoom for like, at this point, a whole school year plus half a semester from my freshman year. But I'm a junior now, so like, it's really crazy, and it happened very fast, and I just was not expecting all of this to happen. I do plan on going on campus, but they're making us get vaccinated. I'm not happy that my school is making me. I just know I look crazy on this camera. I just know I look super ashy. It's not like this in person. What the heck? How do I change? Then I can't see. Oh well, I'm just gonna have to look crazy. I'm very upset that they're making it mandatory for us to get vaccinated and able to go back on campus. I feel like if I pay, and I get it, great, vaccination, yay, but don't take away my right to not want to get vaccinated. Like, how are you going to make it mandatory for students to get vaccinated in order to live on campus? Like, I'd rather get tested every week and take precautions than to get that vaccine. I just feel like it's not fully developed. Like, honestly, it takes 5+ years to make a real vaccine, and they made this in months. What are they putting into our bodies? They're already trying to kill us. Let me stop. YouTube will probably see this video down. But no, like, come on. I just feel like they don't have enough information on it. And so, like, the fact that they're making it mandatory for us to take. I just feel like it's wrong to do that. And so I've been holding out on trying to get it. My best friend actually got it. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I just hear so many what's it called, side effects from it. Like people having heart attacks and like people's hearts are swelling up. I'm not trying to, like, I mean, I know I'm covered because of Jesus, but it's just like my nerves, like I just can't. I don't want to deal with that. So I'm just holding off on it for as long as I can, truly, because I'm just not beat at all for that. Like, y'all really missed the mark with that one. And the way they pushing it out is very sus to me. Like, it's very suspect. Like, why do you want us to take it so bad? Like, let's really get into that. Why? I mean, I get it, but like, y'all talking about y'all getting into, people getting into places for free if you were vaccinated, this and that. And I'm just like, what are y'all really plotting? If I pay for a school, I pay for my rights too. And like, I should not have to do that if I don't trust it. And you know what? If it comes push to shove, I'm gonna be like, it's religious reasons why I don't want to take it. And honestly, I really could say that because in the Bible, it says, by his stripes I am healed. Boom. Like, I asked my friend to give me some Bible scriptures that I could use against them. So, if Drew... Should I have said that? Should I have said my university? Y'all not gonna find me. People from that school, y'all see this, then y'all already know what's up. Like, if you want to have like a light base, just put on concealer on the spots that you want to cover and blend that in, and then put loose powder foundation on. That's what I did. Yeah, when I adjust the camera, you'll see what the real effect is, because I'm definitely giving very much ashy, but I'm telling you in person, I'm brown. Also, y'all, I did my own braids. I did my own cornrows. They're about like almost 2 weeks old. I know they're starting to look a little frizzy, but I'll show y'all a more fresher picture right here. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if I'm gonna go for a more tomboyish look or a girly. It's just a mall or like a cute comfy in between. Let's look at the weather. It says 77 drizzle. It don't look like it's drizzling outside. I'm putting you on 1,000 different spots, but I think I'm gonna wear this Shopaholic shirt and some ripped jeans and some slides and call it a day. I really feel like wearing some sweatpants, I'm not gonna lie, but I wear some jeans so I could look presentable, I guess. Ooh. Hi, Bubba's. Say hi. So yes, I'm holding the whole stand. It's alright. So this is the shirt. Close the door. This is the shirt. Shopaholic. It got name of cities on it. I just put on my little name necklace that has Rachelle on it. Just some little bracelets from Alex and Ani and Shein. What's it called? My jeans, I don't know where they're from. They're just ripped jeans, dark denim. And then I don't know if I should wear white little slides or black little slides. Y'all probably will say black. I don't know, white goes too, but then again, it depends on my, guys, I'm so bloated. It depends on my bag also. Y'all, I low-key want to implement like this new little thing where it's like the fragrance of the day or the lotion that I'm wearing. So today we're using bronzed coconut mist and lotion from Pink. Looks like this. Smells really good. Smells really good. I already put it on my legs and everything, so now we're just gonna put it on my hands and my arms. Get those elbows. You don't want to be ashy. I might show y'all a little bit while I'm at the mall, but then again, the mall I'm going to, I don't feel like having people staring at me because I stare back. Let me stop. I'm not mean, y'all. And then we're gonna put some spray. Get everywhere. Duh, took a shower. Okay, so I need y'all to help me with the bag. So is this one or this one? I'm sorry, y'all really cannot see. So y'all see white bag, white flops. No, or the black. It's cute, I guess. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for my mom to pick me up, and that's gonna be that. Also, just to add, if y'all want to see a day in my life with Cairo, it will be very interesting. But if y'all want it, like this video or put it in the comments. Cairo, just put Cairo, K-A-I-R-O. If y'all would like to see a day in my life with Cairo, I might even do it anyway, even if y'all don't put nothing. But he's very bad and mischievous and a little devil dog. And if you want to see me get bit, comment for the video. Anyways, okay guys, we are moving on to the haul portion of this video. And basically, I went to the mall and I just got a big purchase from Bath and Body Works. Like, this is actually the most I've ever gotten out of their store. They had a 70% off, 50% off semi-annual sale, and of course, you know, the other regular items, but like I got a lot of good finds with the sale items, so we're just gonna go through that. If you love small goods, this is the portion of the video for you. I'm gonna tell you guys how these things smell and everything, and if you stay to the end, there's a surprise purchase that I got for myself, and it's just really special to me. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the sprays or whatever. This is Daydream fine fragrance mist. It just looks like this. It smells really light and like, what is this? But yeah, this is Daydream. It's in a cute little bottle. Next we have Margarita Cupcake. This is one of my favorites. Like, this is mad cute. First of all, the packaging is so cute, and then it smells so good. It smells so sweet, and I'm just like. Next we have Bahamas, passion fruit and banana flower. I don't even know what banana flower is, but you know, this smells like I need to be on vacation somewhere. Like, smells like the air in a tropical island, and I'm not exaggerating. I got Fiji, Sunshine, and Guavatini. This smells really good, and I got the body cream for this because this was one of the $5 ones, I believe. The rest of these were, yeah, this one's $5, this one's $5, and these were $3 and some change, and they're usually $15.50, right? And these are usually, yeah, $15.50. This is summer. Like, these give me, am I tripping? These give me very much summer vibes. Like, I got the Fiji body cream, and if you layer this, you're gonna smell good all day. I got this Magnolia Charm body cream. I think the packaging is, you know, this is usually $14.50. I got it for $3 and some change. Yeah, this smells really fresh and floral. I don't like too much flowers though. I don't like to smell old. Like I like fruity, sweet, clean smells. And then I just got coconut palm, tropical smells, you know. This smells really good. I just like the way coconut smells with this. Next, I'll go into the lotions that I got. I just got 3 regular lotions. This is called... I don't know. Y'all can figure that out. If y'all could see that, can y'all figure that out? Next, I have Frosted Coconut Snowball. You may think this is more of a holiday one, but it just smells really coconutty. And last but not least, I got Brown Sugar and Fig. At first, I passed this by, but then my mom opened a bottle in the store. Sorry, Mom. And it smells good. Yeah. I just got this one and only body shower gel, and it's just called Frosted Snow Blossom. It smells really sweet and fruity. I don't know what makes it a snow blossom. I don't have a lot of shower gels, so I just figured I'll get this one. I probably should have got more because this was like $3 too, and the original price was $12.50. I got 5 different hand sanitizers. It was 5 for $8. So the first one that I got is Rose Water and Ivy. It smells just like the rose spray that they have. Next, I got Pineapple Mango. Oh, did I show y'all? I don't remember. Sorry. It looks like that. And then I got Pineapple Mango. Now this is one of my favorite ones. Like, it definitely smells like pineapple mango. Next, I have Strawberry Pound Cake. It smells just like strawberries. Looks like that. These are just good to have in your purse to carry around. Like, this is Midsummer Dream. This smells really good too. I wish they showed like what are they trying to mock? Like, is it floral or like lavender? Like, what does it have? Like, what fruit? But it smells really good. And these little packets is just so cute, and it just, you definitely only need to carry hand sanitizer with you everywhere you go, especially now because of COVID and people are just nasty anyway. So it's just good to have a pocket antibacterial hand gel that smells good. But now we're moving on to the part where I purchased something, and I'm just, you know, I don't know if it's appropriate for me to say that I'm proud of myself, but like, I already have a Michael Kors bag, but today I decided to get my first Coach bag. I just got these flip-flops, these Coach flip-flops, and they didn't have my correct size. I'm not gonna tell y'all what size I got, but they're really sturdy, and that's what made me get them, because I would not be paying no $20 for no flip-flops. Like, I'm sorry, it's flip-flops. But these are mad hard, and like, I feel like these would last me a long time. But also, since I got these, right, I got the matching bag. Isn't this so cute? I have to really pair a nice outfit together with these. Like, I just feel like this is so cute. It's basically, it's navy all around, and then it's like these light blues and dark blues and then yellow. I think it's very much summer crossbody, or, you know, a one shoulder. And I just think this is really cute. I feel like I could dress it up. I feel like I could wear it casually. So I just think it was a really good purchase. This was $99 and this was $20. So yeah, it's a small purchase, but I am proud that I'm able to do it. Eventually I would get more, but you know, you don't ever want to live beyond your means. And I'm happy with my purchase, but like, stay tuned for the fit. Definitely follow me on Instagram, because when I put this together, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be a cute fit. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe for another piece of K. And Mikaylah Rachelle is out.